Welcome to the Master of Comparative Business Law program of the University of Mannheim. My name is Oliver Brandt. I am professor at our law school and I'm delighted to be part of the teaching staff of this outstanding program. Mannheim is located in the heart of Germany. 2 rivers, lush green areas, and a diverse modern and historic architecture make it a lovely and lively place to live and study. The core of the city is its beautiful 18th century Baroque palace. Today, it is home of the University of Mannheim and its vivid campus. We feel privileged to teach and research where once a major European prince held court. The 5 schools of the university regularly find themselves among the top performers in national and international rankings. The law school thrives to offer its 1,100 students a challenging and modern learning environment, as well as an excellent library. The Master of Comparative Business Law is a 1-year master's program taught entirely in English. It is designed for law graduates or graduates with sufficient background in law. They can pursue advanced studies to specialize in the area of business law with a comparative perspective. We love to engage with our students from around the globe and introduce them to our areas of research and beyond. What makes the Master of Comparative Business Law unique is that students can choose between studying at both the University of Mannheim and our partner institution, the University of Adelaide in Australia, or at the University of Mannheim alone. Our beautiful campus and the motivated staff are already waiting for you. There is only one thing amiss: your application. Come and join today.